Hi friends, today I want to say you about setting model of Casio DB-E30D. In the current time, press this button and hold down for some time the upper left button. Seconds will begin flashing. If you press this button over, seconds will be reset. Then press this button mode, and we find ourselves in a setting mode summer or winter time. If you press this button, you can change the time by 1 hour forward or back an hour. On, off. Then again press this button mode, and set the hour by pushing button from right side. Then again press this button and set the minutes by pushing buttons from right side. Then press this button mode and set the year by pushing button from right side. Then again press this button mode and set the month and the day by similar way. Then again press button mode and set the language of display. There is 16 of them. After all setting, press this button and all save. If you want to change your time format, 12 or 24 hour, press this button.